In recent times, YouTube has become one of the most renowned platforms for entertainment, education, and earning. You would be amazed to know that there are a lot of YouTube stars whose views are more than the TV programs in India. There are a lot of YouTubers who show their dynamic skills and the viewers wait eagerly to watch their videos. Do you want to know who the most renowned Indian YouTube superstars are? Welcome to InFact. Here are the top 10 Indian YouTubers and their earnings in 2021. Number 10. FactTex. Rajesh Kumar, born on April 1st, 2000, better known online as FactTex, is an Indian YouTuber who creates and posts informative videos on YouTube. He started his channel in 2016 at the age of just 16. He posted his first video on September 18th, 2016. Rajesh Kumar was the youngest Indian YouTuber to cross 10 million subscribers at the age of just 19. FactTex was one of the top content creators of 2017 in India on YouTube. He was also the first YouTuber in the world to gain more than 1 million subscribers in less than 365 days. He hit 1000 subscribers on January 17, 2017. FactTex has around 18.2k followers on Twitter, 267k followers on Instagram, and 170k fans on Facebook. He earns around 21.9k to 349.9k US dollars a month. Number 9. Stubborn Facts. Stubborn Facts is a YouTube channel operated by media publisher Firebeast Media Productions Private Limited, founded in 2016. The channel uploads videos regarding facts as well as science and mystery. As of May 2021, it has over 16 million subscribers and over 1 billion views. The channel has around 314 uploads. The most viewed video on this channel has over 41 million views. This channel uploads videos with catchy thumbnails which attracts a lot of viewers. This channel earns around 13.3k to 212.2k US dollars a month. Number 8. Sandeep Maheshwari. He is both a motivational speaker and an entrepreneur. He was born on September 28, 1980 and he did his graduation from Kirori Mal College. But because of some family reasons, he was not able to complete his studies. Irrespective of this, he is one of the fastest growing entrepreneurs in India. He started his career as a photographer in 2000 and worked as a freelancer. You would be glad to know that he is the founder and CEO of ImagesBazaar.com, a stock photo site. His YouTube channel has more than 20 million subscribers. This channel is all about motivation. His videos have inspired millions of people, which is why he has so many followers. His content is primarily based on personality development, meditation, public speaking, and fear of something. He has received a lot of awards such as Young Creator Award by British Council, Creator Entrepreneur of the Year 2013 by Entrepreneur India Summit, Pioneer of Tomorrow Award by ET Now. Sandeep Maheshwari has more than 221.8k followers on Twitter, 2.7 million followers on Instagram, and 16 million fans on Facebook. He earns around 12.4k to 198.9k US dollars a month from his YouTube channel. Number 7. BBK Vines, also known as Bhuvaneshwar Bam. Who does not know this personality? He has made so many of us laugh even in the most distressed mood. He is based in New Delhi, born on January 24th, 1994 and has become one of the most renowned YouTubers in India. He has become a sensation globally in the YouTube community. His content is primarily based on comedy. It is commendable that he plays 3 to 4 roles himself to keep the audience entertained. He has more than 20.5 million YouTube followers. It became one of the most popular channels in 2016 and won Web TV Asia Award held in Seoul. You would be amazed to know that he is a musician too and earns his living by doing live shows. He started his career singing in the bars of Delhi. He is undoubtedly a versatile person as he is a singer, musician, songwriter, and obviously a good comedian. He has more than 3.7 million followers on Twitter, 11.6 million on Instagram, and 6.7 million on Facebook. His monthly income is estimated as 8.4k to 134.4k US dollars a month. Number 6. Round to Hell. Round to Hell is a community YouTube channel maintained and run by friends Wasim Ahmad, Nazeem Ahmad and Zain Saifi. Zain, Naseem and Wasim were all born in Pakwara, Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh. The three of them have been friends since their college lives. Zain had studied the most, after which he dropped out from Zakir Hussain College. Wasim and Nazeem completed their schooling up to 12th standard from Alam College and Modern Public School respectively. The first earnings after the monetization of the channel were donated to charity and foundations for the poor. Their parents were not too supportive of them during the beginning, but slowly gained a decent faith in them. Round to Hell has more than 20.6 million subscribers on YouTube, 14.4k followers on Twitter, 1.5 million on Instagram, and 2 million on Facebook. Their monthly income is estimated at 15.8k to 252.3k US dollars a month. Number 5. Technical Guruji. He was born in Ajmer, Rajasthan on May 7, 1991 and currently lives in Al Garod, Dubai, UAE. His channel is unique as it provides education on technical aspects in a simple to understand way. He also answers questions of his viewers on various subjects like the internet, computer, smartphones and much more. He started his YouTube channel in the year 2015 and posted his videos in Hindi so that it becomes easy to understand. The videos which he creates are beneficial, informative and simple to understand. He has more than 21.3 million subscribers on YouTube, 3.4 million followers on Twitter, more than 2.4 million followers on Instagram and 1.6 million fans on Facebook. His estimated monthly income is 12.5k to 200.2k US dollars from his YouTube channel. Number 4. Amit Badana. He has more than 23.1 million subscribers and has become very famous among the YouTube community. He is from Faridabad and was born on September 7, 1991. Initially, when he started his channel, he did not tell his parents as he was scared of them. Amit Badana creates videos that are comic and he has a lot of videos that features a slice of life content, relationships and comic skits. He just does not want to stop making videos. His aim is to make a full Bollywood movie as he is a big fan of Akshay Kumar and Aamir Khan. He has more than 733.8k followers on Twitter, 4.8 million followers on Instagram and more than 9.2 million fans on Facebook. He earns around 9.9k to 158.3k US dollars a month from YouTube. Number 3. Total Gaming. Ajay, better known online as Total Gaming, commonly known as Ajubai, is an Indian gaming YouTuber who live streams the battle royale game Free Fire on YouTube. He is the most subscribed Indian gaming YouTuber. Ajay was born in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. He started playing Garena Free Fire in 2018 after he watched a few of his friends playing it. He did not have a mobile phone that could support such games, so he started playing the game on his PC. After mastering the game mechanics, he decided to enter YouTube and started his channel on October 9, 2018. He started uploading videos of Garena Free Fire tips and tricks which were on PC. He soon shifted back to his mobile phone after purchasing a better one and started live streaming normal gaming videos of the game. He also live streams playing other games like GTA 5, Spider-Man and Incredible Hulk 2. This made him one of the few variety live streamers of India. Currently, Total Gaming has around 24.4 million subscribers on YouTube, 71.3k followers on Twitter, 2.8 million followers on Instagram and 4.1 million fans on Facebook. His estimated monthly income is around 59k to 943.9k US dollars a month. Number 2. Ashish Chanchalani Vines. An Indian creator who gained fame initially through the Vine and then he moved on to YouTube with his own channel. He is from Ulhasnagar, Maharashtra and was born on November 7, 1993. He has done BTech in Civil Engineering from Datta Meghe College of Engineering, Mumbai. He joined Barry John Acting Studio to start his career. He has gained a lot of success today. The best thing is that his family has always supported him in his struggling days. The videos that he makes are based on humor which comprises day-to-day activities, relationships and much more. His content is really amazing and people can actually relate to it. That is why they love his videos and become a YouTube sensation. He started his YouTube channel in the year 2009 and people adore him as his content is original and the way he presents it is hilarious. He has more than 24.7 million subscribers on YouTube, 2 million followers on Twitter, around 10.6 million fans on Instagram and 9.3 million on Facebook. He earns approximately 26k to 418k US dollars a month from his YouTube channel. Number 1. Ajay Nagar, Carrie Minati. An avid gamer, Nagar posted his first YouTube video when he was 10 years old and hasn't looked back since then. The content he produces consists mainly of dissing the cringe-worthy user-generated content that is spreading on all major social media platforms. His YouTube popularity is such that he ended up interviewing Tom Cruise and Henry Cavill. His YouTube videos are in Hindi, which gives him the advantage of catering to a larger section of Indian audience. Ajay Nagar refuses to shift his content from Hindi to English to make it global because he feels that one can succeed only when one is connected to their roots. His YouTube subscriber count is around 30 million at the time of the upload. He has more than 2.6 million followers on Twitter, 12.5 million on Instagram and 2.1 million on Facebook. His monthly income is estimated at 18k to 288k US dollars a month. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.